Welcome back, students. Here we will do the solution of question number 8 of exercise 1.4. Your question is, let's start with a binary operation on n defined by a star b is equal to ACF of a and b. Is star commutative? Is star associative? Question mark. Does there exist identity for this binary operation on n? So here you see a binary operation n on the set of natural number is defined as what? ACF of the two element. A star b is defined by ACF of two element a and b. ACF, hope you remember, highest common factor. So first you have to show it that it is commutative or not, check it, associative or not, and does there exist an identity element for the operation on n or not. That three parts of the question. So for the first part, your set is this given and your definition of star is this one. First I have written it. For commutativity, we have to take two elements. Okay, so we consider that two elements A and B, and we know it that ACF of A and B and ACF of B and A are same, and this is true for all AB belongs to the natural number. We have done so many questions. Whatever the position of the element you take, ACF of the number remains as it is. Okay, so suppose you are taking the ACF of 2 and 4 or 4 and 2, results will be same. So everywhere it is true for all AB belongs to n, therefore A star B is equal to B star A. Thus the operation star is commutative. Now for associativity, you have to take three elements. Here also it will be true because you know it, wherever you put the value of this ABC, then always you will have what? ACF of three numbers is always same. Whenever you change the position of the vector, the result will not change. So I'm taking three elements in a natural number such that A star B star C. A star B means what? ACF of A and B by definition. Star C is there. This is one number. So suppose you think it as D star E, D star C. D star C will be equal to what? ACF of D and C. And ACF of D means what? ACF of AB. That is the ACF of A, B and C. Same way, if I change the position of the bracket B and C, A star, ACF of B and C. Again, you can think it as one number, or otherwise directly also you know that is what? ACF of this number and this number, which is nothing but ACF of A, B and C. Thus we have got what? A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. It means what? The star is associative binary operation. Now the next part, you have to find out, does there exist any identity element or not? And always remember, if identity element exists, then only we will further proceed for inverse. Otherwise, don't have to go for inverse element. Here you see, for identity element, we have to take one element, A. And if there exists an element, suppose E be the identity element, then you must have what? A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. So here E belongs to be the identity element. We have suppose it. Then A star is equal to A is equal to E star A. First and the last part is obvious because A star B is equal to B star A, commutative. So obviously A star E is equal to E star A. Now we have to find out whether A star E is equal to A. Okay, so you see A star E is equal to A means ACF of any number A and E is equal to A. Is this possible? Will you get any number A with the identity element when you do the SCF, the numbers remains as it is? No. But the relation is not true for any A. Thus the operation does not have any identity element. Because মই তোমালোকক এটা example দিছোঁ চোৱা ধৰা তুমি natural number, you know, 1 is the identity element, multiplicative identity. Suppose you take the SCF of 3 and 1. It will be 1. 2 and 1. It will be 1, not 2 or not 3. Right? So, আমি ইয়াতে কি পালো এনেকুৱা কোনো এটা এলিমেন্ট আমি বিচাৰি নাপাওঁ যেটোৰ কাৰণে কি হ'ব ACF টো যদি লোৱা A star E is equal to A হোৱা হ'ব সেই কাৰণে এটো তোমালোকৰ কি হয় বাইনাৰি অপাৰেচনত আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্ট নাই Thank you.